This program is brought to you by Montefrio Garden Resort, your Highland escape.
Ventosa Law Office of Attorney Jose Vicente C. Ventosa III. For appointments, please call 0922 Ventosa or 0922-83-68672. Callers Flower Shop, Rigodon West for wellness, events, sports, and trainings.
Mabuhay!
Buhay
Ako,
ang
Madayaw!
Madayaw. Welcome to episode 18. It's June 14, 2026, CD.
Yes, oo, marag paspas kayo ng panahon, no? But before we begin introducing ourselves, let me greet you everyone. Belated Happy Independence Day sa inyong tanan.
Yes, it's 128. Ayan, last June 12, 2026.
Ayan. So, welcome once again to another edition of our Sunday Habit, ang ABCD. This is Kadang Pang Carlo Dolier CD.
And AB, Attorney Blue Ventosa.
We are streamed over the Facebook pages and YouTube channels of Kadangpan Digital and
Davao Lawyer Facebook page and Davao Lawyer YouTube channel.
yes, for those who are watching the replay, hello sa inyong tanan. Don't forget to comment where you are and we will try our best to read it as much as we can. Well, attorney, murag dili maayo ang sugod aning maong last week, no, kay supposed to be back to school ang mga chikiting natin, but it's quite unfortunate na niuyog na pod ang linog, no? It's in
Yes,
Jensen, and then nabati
Grabe.
naman pod sa tuwang syudad, no?
Katulagi, kay napamok ko sa balay atong buntag. So tingala ko nga, abi na, sugod hinay, sunod ni kusog murag, dugay makay ni undang. Susunod na kayo, nagreklamo na ang balay, ik na wala ko nga, mag-pray na lang
My
taning ang
goodness.
maundang.
Oo.
Grabe.
Napelt naman pod nako, pero the disadvantage lang, wala manggoy alert sa iPhone nimo, attorney.
Sa Android lang, no? Oo, yung
Yeah.
alert. Oo, kailangan may Android.
Pagkabalo na gani nako nga na-detect nga pag uyog, gawas na lang ko dayon.
Maayo.
After na gyud ang shaking gyud.
Um,
Actually dili ko katuo nga very
Talang,
uyog gyud ang
timing
but
kusog yung kayo.
actually this is quite unfortunate na affected ang pipila ka mga lugar sa Soxargen region, and I assume pod nga ang Silangan Multipurpose Cooperative
Yes.
nag-reach out to the victims of earthquake, attorney.
Oo, kasi meron tayong General Santos branch doon sa General Santos City, ang Silangan, at meron din tayong CSR, yung Cooperative Social Responsibility. Lahat ng mga co-ops, meron silang fund na para sa community. So ito yung pwede nating tulong, either in cash or kind, pagkain, tubig, mga toiletries. Kaya pina-uptake dayon, nakaadto ang atong mga kauban sa Silangan Multipurpose Cooperative dito sa may Glan, no? Barangay Asagani ni siya
Sa
CD.
Kapatan, Glan, Sarangani.
Oo. So I was not able to go kay murag dali man din, importante lang na taga Silangan na atong mga officers, atong marketing ug atong mga staff diha. So naghatag pagkaon, tubig ug kanang mga lain pang mga personal items diha. That was June 11, atong niaging Thursday.
Yes.
Ayan. Oo.
Well, of course, syempre naman po yung mga ubang mga barangay, not only diya sa Sarangani province but also neighboring provinces that are quite badly hit or badly hit gyud ang ng pipila ka lugar, no? Cause upon monitoring the nato nga mga news reports, walay kuryente, walay pagkaon
Tubig,
na
hinay ang tubig.
nabilin
Oo.
yun, no, kay luoy kaayo ang mga residente. So ang uban man good, as what we know, na they are reaching out sa through the roads, no, kay pamasin, no, mga hatag man pod. But of course na namanggoy mga grateful nga mga both mag-reach out regardless
Yes.
of organization, NGOs, or katong sa mga influencers that they're reaching out. Balag
Yes. Oo.
piso ra ba? Oo.
Oo, at least nakatulong din. And of course, di natin maiwasan yung ating mga politicians nandyan, pero at least nakatulong din naman sila.
Gani. Of course, dapat strong vigilance naman pod, no, with regards kay as what we know na felt naman pod nato sunod-sunod ang aftershocks the following days, attorney.
Yes, oo. Kaya nga, although dito sa Davao City, I think kahapon may konting nasa mall kami, konting movement, but it's not that naman yung aftershock. So dito gyud sa, I think diha dapit sa Jensen, diha sa Glan, I think Abad Santos ba? Diha o dapit sa Davao Occidental. We really need to help them, no?
Oga, pasalamatan pod nato attorney nga walay casualty na nahitabo diri sa Davao City, but it's quite unfortunate nga naipipila ka lugar sa Davao region nga nakabsan og kinabuhi. So condolence sa mga namatyan sa or natabunan sa linog. So our prayers are with you, and I hope makalingkawas ra ta. We had done this before nga syempre there's nothing we can do then only prayers ra ba, attorney.
Yes, yes. So, and of course, vigilant lang yun siguro ta. Bantayan nato mga gamit niya sa balay nga kung maglinog, dili mga tagak, walay maigo. Then, yung ating kuryente, ating tubig, i-off na siguro na siya kung medyo unsa na kanang kusog na linog na para walay I think katupag ganing di ba? Ang Davcon na sunog CD katong after atong oo, ambot nga to basig na siya sa pag earthquake na ang mga kurente niya, no, kay medyo karaan naman po to dito.
Yeah, I believe that it is related ra ba, and then hours mga alas 10 imagine, no, sa buntag at that time na sunog yun ang Davcon. Pero may na lang wala na angin ang Lahirensya, Davao katong yun.
Oo, doon lang din. So these properties are owned by the Gutierrez Development Company Incorporated, or the Gutierrez family. Mo po na sila tag-iya sa kung building na gina-rent sa doon sa Fairlanes. So buti na lang din na walay na injured, pero katulagi ang loss, no. I think sa mapod siguro naman sila insurance. Ayun.
Yeah. Pero of course matud pa na syempre ang statement sa Davao City Convention Center that they will rebuild the way that it used to be, and although lisod man, pero syempre magpaabot ra ta kung unsa may mahitabo in the future, no, kay as far as I know nakaadto naman ko once last year katong ay sa Comelec, I believe, with chairperson George Garcia. But of course very old, kay 3 decades ra baya ta na parehas man may edad anang Davcon na ng edad. Kapin.
Okay. Sa una man Central Bank man diha man ato ang gyud, no, siguro abot kung nakaabot na ba ka diha mga graduation, mga concert, atong wala pa SMX, but Davcon has really been there, no. Dugay na siya mga party, mga kanang mga bazaar, di ba? So that's why it's really it's part of our history. Murag nangawala na ato ang mga mga memorable places sa Davao, si Victoria Plaza o ato ang ubang mga. So I think siguro dapat meron tayong parang historical unsa diri sa Davao nga murag mag-preserve ng atong mga traditional and historical buildings, no, CD.
Oo. But I think napaghihapon ng abandoned na Hotel Maguindanao sa Claveria.
Oo, Claveria na
The only
po.
problem is kay nangatubo manggod ang puno sulod sa hotel.
Oo ba? Tutubo nga mga punong kahoy sa sulod sa hotel?
I think namanggod sa sulod. Just only a branch of a tree as far
okay.
as what we know. Kay murag nakaagi naman ko ana. It is, if I'm not mistaken, it is just right in front sa itong sa Kabangko, tapad sa San Pedro Cathedral.
Yes. Oo, ayun.
Alright.
Okay, so pwede rin nila yan.
So we had to set aside na kay syempre masisibak ko nga muuyog na po kay while we're doing our episode. Kalit ra ba mauyog ra ba ning maong screen, no? But anyway,
yes.
We will proceed to our segment which we called the Pangyayari segment. Because we are going to feature just a little local sa amo ang dapit, no? Which we understand na dili lamang pang national, pang local, pang community baya.
Kasi June month ngayon, Davao pa rin, kaya meron tayong mga features dito sa mga ibang pangyayari na napuntahan ni CD. Ako din nakapunta pa rin.
Yeah. Oo. But anyway, we will do our part na unahon na lang nako ning Sayawitan 2026 diya sa gym sa Ilang, Davao City. So it is just simple ra ba bisan pa gani mga barangay, no? Maadtuan na nato Kutobs Makaya. So it's fortunate that we are able to witness such kay pahawuday sa sayaw mga grupo pahawuday sa kanta. So nagkadaiyang mga grupo o I think 8 ka contenders sa singing competition ang ni-appeal sa maong Sayawitan 2026 organized by the Sangguniang Kabataan Ilang under the leadership of SK Chairperson Hilya Jean Sab. So, that's all. Watch this.
Welcome sa atong Sayawitan 2026. So, ang Sayawitan, isa na siya sa mga highlight na event para i-celebrate ang tuwang araw ng ilang. O pinaagi sa Sayawitan, mapakita na ito atong mga talent sa singing and dancing. And of course, dito siya may tabo kung wala ato ang mga contestants. So, thank you guys sa mga contestants sa inyong active participation and dedication para mo join aning contest.
Yun. So, mauto, no? What we see few sa ilahang ginabuhat karon.
So, kadalasan mga pala ito, teenagers, no? Kabataan.
Yung barangay na adjunct. It is also part of the anniversary sa ilang araw ng barangay which has been 61 years.
61 years old. Dugay-dugay na po diyan.
Ayun.
Ayan.
There's Sweet Manabi 80 for a 32 over here.
Naman po yung mga pasundayan before
Sayo po.
sugutan competition. itong the old sa singing competition.
Oo. Galing, no? Sa
And
dance.
mao po ang the old sa dancing competition.
Okay.
Congratulations, Miss Charlotte Senna. New to 5,000 pesos. And our winner for this year's dance competition goes to Russell Bullet Monster!
And so,
Congratulations, Bullet Monster!
Ayan.
anyway,
Ah.
mao po ang video, no? So, congratulations to the winners of the
Magkano
Sayaw
din mga premyo nila, price range, range ang ila, if you know, CD, pila po diya mga premyo dito?
So, I think ang dancing competition is 10K ang champion.
Okay.
Na po yan, no, first and second runner-up na
Mhm.
ano. I do not recall how much ang ano, pero ang uban, katong two remaining groups na kadawat sila og consolation prize.
Okay, ayan.
So same
At least.
goes sa singing competition of
Sa singing din, meron din.
5,000 ang ano champion, the rest na may first and second runner-up, and then the others naapod sila yung consolation prize ato.
Okay, so congratulations to all the
so, wala
winners.
ko kung kinsa may mananaong ganing mutya at Ginoo ng ilang 2026, no, because ginaimbita man ko, but you know, na-overwork ta to be
Alagi.
specific, no. But thank you sa mainitong pagdawat kanako to the SK Council of Barangay Ilang, led by Honorable Jilia Jeans. Thank you so much for having the welcome for me, despite on a short notice. Ayun. So if you just join us right now, you're watching the first stretch of our program, ABCD. This is still CD, Carlo Dolier.
And AB, Attorney Blue Ventosa.
Balik ta human lamang niining pipila lamang ka mga pahibalo. Stand by.
This program is brought to you by Montefrio Garden Resort, your Highland escape.
Ventosa Law Office of Attorney Jose Vicente C. Ventosa III. For appointments, please call 0922 Ventosa or 0922-83-68672. Callers Flower Shop, Rigodon West for wellness, events, sports, and trainings.
Watch Attorney Blue Ventosa every Friday night in the program ABC Anuncio Batas at Cooperatiba, 7 p.m. every Friday night at Double Lawyer Facebook page and Double Lawyer YouTube channel.
Mabuhay Madayaw! I am Attorney Christine Joy Bermudo, your Sinag ng Davao 2026, and you are watching Kadangpan Live with Carlo Valer.
Mabuhay Madayaw! Ako si Robin Grace Udauli, ang inyong patnubay ng Davao 2026. You're watching Kadangban Live with Carlo Dolier.
And we're
Alright,
back.
We're back. Alright.
Today is June 14, 2026. Itong ating pang 18th episode. Uy, debut naman dahil ni ato ang episode. 18 na. Bilis na.
Lang sa turning.
Lagi. So, anak gid no, thank you for always following us, whether in the live or replay. And kung may mga suggestions kayo, anong gusto nyo i-feature namin, so you just comment or you just PM us, no? Para maano namin, ma-feature yan, anong mga gusto nyo mga topics or pagkain,
Yes.
pasyalan, pangyayari, at iba pa.
Yan. Before we continue, ako lang ang timbaya ang syempre suki nga si Marilu Kanashiro of Japan. Hello sa inyong tanan. Katong yang business na Little Divisoria sa Japan.
Meron palang Little Divisoria dyan. Oo.
Ambot lang kung magplano ba mo gano atog Japan ani attorney, no?
Lagi ipunan gyud kay medyo mahal-mahal gyud ning Japan, no? Then medyo stricto yata sila karon sa mga visa kay katong last time nga may kauban mga co-ops, murag murag 5 days or 7 days lang gihatag, no? But mas makatabang man gud mangkakuha kag visa kung grupo mo tapos naagi set date nga kanu sa mo maabot o asa inyong itinerary o ang set date nga mo balik. But Japan is one of the ang akong masulti nga akong favorite nga lugar nga maadtuan po.
Ayun. Anyway, di man siguro nagikan anang mga sushi o ramen nga nadala dire.
Wala ang lami dito na lami lang ramen. Kaya mga takoyaki na sila ba.
Lagi. Pero ang problema manggod is kay nauso naman po ang matcha.
Matcha na po.
Oo. Pero siyempre naman mo po sort of shortage aning maong tea, no? Specifically matcha.
Actually if siguro yung mga makilala tayo diyan mga may mga milk tea or mga matcha yung parang yung anong klaseng gatas yun na masyadong in demand din, parating nagkakaubusan sa mga sa mga department store, yun yung isang ginagamit nila, yung isang brand na yun na parang parating nilang pinag-aagawan.
Oo.
Yes.
Pero usually attorney di sila ganahan mo inom og matcha kay luod nagkaon na mo daw.
Yeah. So uban patamisan but alam mo ba CD na meron tayong pangtapat niyan dito sa Pilipinas, yung matcha na yan, no? Yung ube. Mao daw na karon ang usa sa mga uso na pud nga unsa, then daghan ba yata diri nga mga farmers nga unsa, hopefully nga mo unsa na pud tapatan sa ube ang matcha ay para proudly Filipino gyud nga mga foods. Ayan.
Yeah. So syempre love, supply and demand ang nakabase ang nakabatay aning maong uso aning ube or sa pag-pronounce sa mga Gen Z it's ube.
Na yan pronounce so dapat
pag kay ang spelling man god UBE pero what they have read is pronounced ube.
Marag
Ube.
Ube.
Alright, so let's get on with the next one kay syempre ning bagoy lamang kay naka-side bit ratag adto ang Abrisa cause supposed to be I will be going katong the time nga namanggoy heritage walk, no, but because ang ulan ang weather di mag-cooperate, na postpone, so gilakbit na lang nako aning Reyna ng Davao prelims. So let's see what are the highlights. So as we speak.
Ayan, tingnan natin.
Ni ang the prelims.
Saan ang venue nito, CD? Asa ni siya
Sa community area sa Abrisa, Ayala Malls.
Sa Abrisa. Nice.
Ang ginasuot mong good is mga superhero, local or national.
Ayan.
Captain Barbell.
Captain Barbell.
Pero nalang ko yan na-notice, no? Kay,
yes.
Siyempre, bawal na ba sa tao nga magsuot og ato ang nasudnong bandila ra ba kay
Yes.
pagnabayaan na to. But anyway, let's be honest, no? Ila naman kay costume na ba, regardless of costume or what, bawal ra gyapon na kay supak man na sa heraldic code, no? Flag code of the Philippines kung masayo. So, kung sa pin lang, okay lang. Just like what I am showing right
Meron
now.
mo lang konti siguro. Yun.
Kani. So, mao ni, no? Sama sa akong ginasuot karon, no? Yes. Okay raman as much as possible. Pero yung nana na, yung mga nimog costume resembling the Philippine flag, bawal ra gyud kay makapisos ta na.
Oo. Sige, next
So,
time, i-remind natin yung ating mga kababayan.
Careful lang ta. Let's continue with the video.
Okay.
Resilience and the strength of the trans community.
This is the preliminaries of Reina ng Davao 2026!
Tapos sila yung pa-fashion show.
Okay na po yung fashion show.
Maaura ang mga ganda pa niya rin na.
It's time for your emoji Q&A.
Yung Q&A.
Your time starts now.
The emoji reveals love, which is the united feelings for the world. We are facing the storm of indifference, but I think as a Davao Reina, I came here not just to carry a crown, but to carry a cause. That's why with the moral leadership advocate, I inspire everyone to respect one another. It is an act of human decency to provide respect so we can achieve love all the entire world. Thank you.
Alright, so i-pause lang na ako ni. This is kind of new to us, mga
Okay.
kaigsunan. For those watching, kay ang Q&A, dunay emojis.
Okay.
So this is a
Tapos,
new trend that they are doing right now is katong
Okay.
sa prelims sa Reina ng Davao, which is emoji Q&A segment. So,
Okay.
syempre, they will answer to the question of what it resembles sa mga emojis nga ipakita sa mga contenders, and they will answer it in a way 30 seconds. So,
okay.
that is
Sige,
the
tingnan natin.
explanation ra ba sa bago. Karon lang ko nakabalo. Try lang
Yeah.
na ko ni next time ha. Dire sa ating program.
Yes, tingnan natin kung ano yan, no? Emoji, Q&A.
Emoji Q&A. Let's go on.
Okay.
The emoji represent that the Philippines should need to be strong and not into war. As a half Filipino, half Japanese, I can say that even though that I have two citizenship, I can say that we need to love, especially I'm so proud that I am Filipino, and war is that I don't like to happen in our country. Because if ever it will happen, the children is the one who will suffer, and also to the older one. And as a Reina, I believe that we need to stop war and violence. Thank you.
I am proud to say that I'm actually a fur parent of 24 dogs and 8 cats, and this emotion really resonates me as a person. I would like also everyone to remind that animal welfare is very important, and as myself, as an animal rescuer, that I definitely value each and everyone's life, not just human lives. Thank you.
Davao, I want to inspire everyone to take care of yourself. I want to have a Davao City where everyone is safe and also healthy and also being celebrated of who you are. Because I want, as a Reina ng Davao, I am here today to make a change. And And that change is to make everyone healthy and do what life is. Thank you.
Well, the gown.
Ganun palang fashion show, no?
Evening gown competition.
Long competition, no?
So I am intrigued who will be the next Reyna ng Davao 2026.
Yeah. Kailan nga ang finals yan, CD?
Napay isa pa ka schedule of activity and related sa
okay.
Reyna ng Davao, which is
Oo.
katong the interview round supposed to be last week,
Oo.
but of course tungod sa maligaya
linog.
nga situation, they had to postpone it, and maybe this
Oo.
week, no?
This week, tantabayan na natin.
Itong interview rounds with the 20 Davao Reyna candidates. So, and then the grand coronation night, it will happen this Friday, June 19, 2026. Diya sa RMC gym.
RMC gym. Sige, baka pwede tayong pumunta doon. Magsabay tayo. Noon tayo.
Let's see kung ano makaya sa
Yes.
akong schedule, no?
But
anyway, attorney, this is quite, I'm just intrigued about this katong, okay lang manuntang tubag, pero syempre, it depends on the answer sa question through emojis kay when I know nga katong Philippines, then katong kamay na bakal, and then sa Netherlands na flag, it is pertaining to katong sa si former President Duterte anaa sa The Hague.
Yes. So,
then katong sa no smoking, no, nga icon is of course
diri sa Davao.
Oo. Anti-smoking ordinance existing gyapon diri sa Davao.
Yes.
Again, it depends sa pag tubag sa maong pangutana through emojis. But your observation, attorney, within the ingon nato nga mga tubag sa pangutana through emojis, maura ba or on a different perspective, attorney?
I think sa mga atong mga kabatan-unan, mas madali sila. Of course, murag na magoy clue, makita na di mo tayo yung image, kung pwede nimo dayon na kay idea kung first time niyo na but unlike the traditional question and answer nga kanang tubagon gyud nimo kung unsa tong pangutana, kung wala kay nahibalan or wala ka kasabot sa pangutana, posibleng na mali or layo gyud ang imong tubag dito sa sa pangutana. But here man good na siya image, for example katong cats and dogs, no, na relate niya sa iyang pet. So murag for me, I think pagwapuhay na lagi yung answer, no, kanang unsa ang imong delivery, then how you would expound on your answer. For me, if I were one of the judges, mo na akong tagaan og taas nga points sa ilang pangutana tubag sa emoji Q&A.
Ayun. Depende na sa kay syempre ang Gen Z raba attorney, no, is quite skeptical, to be specific, kay di man pud ka-relate ang atua mga millennials kay traditional ang pag ambit through like what we are doing before sa one word or like or dislike to be exact. But I assume na unta na ma-adapt na lang nato ni, pero in every portion of the Q&A walay sayop o saktong tubag sa pangutana. Alright. If you just join us again, you're watching the second stretch of our program ABCD. You're still with us, CD, Carlo Dolier.
And AB, Attorney Blue Ventosa. Today is June 14, 2026, episode 18 ng ating programa.
We'll pause muna for a short break kay mobalik rata kay ako lang i-savor nining momento kay hangtod karon wa pagyapon ko kaget over ning maong modeling raba, but
Passion
we
show
will talk
lagi.
about it later on after these few
Okay.
reminders. Please stay with us.
This program is brought to you by Montefrio Garden Resort, your Highland escape.
Ventosa Law Office of Attorney Jose Vicente C. Ventosa III. For appointments, please call 0922 Ventosa or 0922-83-68672. Colors Flower Shop, Rigodon West for wellness, events, sports, and trainings.
Watch Attorney Blue Ventosa every Saturday night in the program, The Attorney Blue Show, 7 p.m. every Saturday night at Devil Lawyer Facebook page and Devil Lawyer YouTube channel.
Hi everybody, my name is Alexa Rhoda and I am your Miss Earth Australia 2025 and we are here with Kadang Pang Live with Carlo Delier.
Alright, then we're back.
Okay. So what do we have in store pa sa kanila ngayon, CD?
Well, probably this is going to be pag-throwback sa to ang previous episode cause I needed to correct myself no kay hangtod karon wa pagyapon ka get over ning ako ang tiil no sa momentum nga na no. But this is we wanted to play again the model, my first time experience as a model in a fashion show like no other. So to explain a bit further, katong sa fashion show na imo na saksi, of course, their purpose raman good is to have an inclusive regardless of race or any profession. Every model deserves to be in the spotlight.
Ayun.
So what it explained to us no, to someone that I know in the House of Musa fashion show, everyone is inclusive, to be specific no. Kay to us kay bisan pa man tuod nga na may uban nga late bloomer sila rampa sa entablado, but still wala ta ka get over ning maong ingon nato nga momentum that I'm with the of course veteran and then the young.
Oo,
And
pero
of course,
meron doon CD, di ba? Mga first time, marami rin mga first time doon. Yung iba na I think yung mother, yung daughter, and then may attorney rin doon, di ba? Oo. So,
yes, so
at least natin.
amputated yung right hand to be exact.
Oo.
Of
But
course,
maganda
inclusive
nakita ko yung maganda yung tela talaga. Consistent yung tela nila doon. And then, of course, the different designs. No? Ayun.
Yes. So again, it is made of banana fiber, which is naamang good sa available man good, makita man good sa Panabo, katong banana plantation. So of course, as what someone I know would say, we believe at House of Musa, we believe fashion is for everyone. Beauty is not defined by height, body type, age, gender, or background. True beauty is found in confidence, authenticity, culture, and the courage to embrace who you are. Each of you step onto the runway, not just as a model, but as an advocate, celebrating diversity, inclusivity, heritage, and self-expression. Of course, ang presence nagapahinumdom sa tanan nga ang representation matters and that every person deserves to be seen, valued, and celebrated an attorney.
Okay, well said. Oo. Ayun. Oh.
So let's see for the moment. attorney, no, you were saying, attorney, kung unsay madugang?
Oo. Baka meron pang mga not only for this year, sana meron din silang follow-up maybe during December or baka sa Kadayawan naman because maganda naman yung nila, yung mga design nila and kanilang mga it promotes our local products din, no? So hindi pa tayo masyadong rely sa mga imported. So let's tangkilikin yung sariling atin.
Yes. So again, I'm still savoring the moment, and as I wanted to share again sa akong kaugalingong experience as one of the models na during the PTAA Travel Tour Expo 2026. Congratulations DI to the entire Philippine Travel Agencies Association for a job well done, and of course na may kasunod anin, no, nga fashion show. I don't know where will it be, pero I'm sure na I wanted to hear that music again whenever nagtablado na po din. Talon gyapon taka kutobs makaya.
Yes, oo, baka sunod ako naman ipamodel nila.
We'll see about that kung manotice na nila.
Sa panonood lang, okay na.
Oo. Again, let's look back of the experience that I had during my first experience, not as a model, but as an advocate. Let's watch.
Israel na Maulaw bootleg version. Bootleg. Sa meeting, yes. Masyak na lang si Israel na anim. Nanakil labot aningan mo. Fashion show. I think yes. Never ba ako ginamake up?
So again, to reiterate, they were wearing the
banana
open clothes made out of banana fiber from banana leaves. And of course, the info is given that the founder of the Musa Advocacy and fashion designer, Joy Su. And of course, lahi man pod ang entity sa House of Musa.
Yeah.
So, ang director ani for Hong Kong and South Korea sa House of Musa is also the owner of her own travel agency.
Travel agency.
Dobronio Tadla of Cess Travel and Tours.
Cess Travel and Tours. Yan na si CD,
It is a privilege that I will be sharing this momentum, sharing the stage with the wickedly talented photographer Joji Alcantara.
Yes, oo. Na talaga, nagrarampa na yan noon siya sa aming school. Kaya sa rin yan siya. Magaling din mag-model.
Yeah. Mga 90s pa daw. Matod pa. Nag-model si Ma'am Joji Alcantara.
Oo.
Yun.
Ladies and gentlemen, the people behind the success of Musa Fabric. Musa de Arenas by Mel Virado. Beadworks by Joseph De La Torre. Leah Marie Pax by attorney Tata Moral. House of Musa Director Hong Kong and Korea in order of Cess Travel and Tours, Glorices Tabla. and Musa designer and Musa advocacy founder, Miss Gazelle Joy Sue.
Ayun. So, those were the models.
Oo.
With Jason Young, the president of PTAA.
Okay. Yun pala. Oh, yan, si CD.
Yan.
Ano sa ano niya? Feeling sa tela, CD, ano, mainit, malamig, or
Okay
magaan?
naman.
Okay lang,
Well, I never expect na kay syempre ang barong raba very unique kay again it's made out of banana fibers.
Oo.
Because usually ang mga barong nga ginatahi is made out of pinya fiber.
Pinya, manipis, no? Oo. Ito medyo makapal-kapal siya, no? Parang ano siya. Meron siyang body nga like pinya, marag nipis pud kaayo yung pinya.
Yeah. And of course, for those who wanted na magano ready to wear, pwede niyo i-rent, but of course, message her through Musa RTW by SES Facebook page. So, di na ninyo ma-inquire on if you wanted na matry. And of course, ambot kung nabay available sa imong size kay kaya magpatahian ni attorney
Basi mahal na basta ako kay medyo lapad-lapad ug baga-baga paginta.
Agoy.
Okay.
Alright. So, right before we wrap things up, because natay gustong itimbaya ning mga taknaa, cause I believe unahon sa nato ang imong uniko iho who had recently celebrated his birthday.
I'd like to greet my son, si Captain Red, last June 12, 2026, ang iyang birthday. So, it's Jose Vicente Espero Ventosa IV. Ang haba ng pangalan, no? Para sa akin din. So, congratulations, Red, and many more birthdays to come.
Yes.
So, Independence Day din na siya.
Yes. And of course, another one, I believe we have to greet this one because Parkman is a cooperative, I believe.
Yes, si Director June Owano is one of the directors of One Co-op Technology. So, last June 13, gahapon na iyang birthday. Happy birthday, Director June!
Yes, happy birthday. And also belated happy birthday to Mark Neil Cardona and sa mga nag-celebrate silang birthday karon ug sa mga birthday pa lamang, happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come.
Alright.
Ayan. And of course, kapaspas ra ba sa atwang oras in town.
Pagod itong oras, CD.
Yes, so I hope nga dili madogsyo na pod ang tuang preparations, no, kay lain para ba ang pag-uyog kung mag-prepare mo sa back to school. But anyway, all of you stay safe tanan, and also dili nato kalimtan ang mga pag-ampo sa As we come to a close, we will do our usual routine, which is we already end our program with a Bible verse for the week. The Lord makes poor and rich. He brings low. He also exalts. 1 Samuel 2 verse 7. So, I hope everyone will be all right sa inyong tanan. And we end our program by greeting Mabuhay o
Madayaw. See you next week. Bye-bye.
This program is brought to you by Montefrio Garden Resort, your Highland escape.
Ventosa Law Office of Attorney Jose Vicente C. Ventosa III. For appointments, please call 0922 Ventosa or 0922-83-68672. Colors Flower Shop, Rigodon West for wellness, events, sports, and trainings.